what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super exciting for you. We all know about the iPhone's dynamic island, right? But what if I told you there's an Android app that not only matches but actually outshines it? Yep, you heard that right. I'm talking about an app called Dynamic Spot. This app brings a dynamic and interactive experience to your Android device. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install and get the most out of it. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the Google Play Store. Type in Dynamic Spot. And it should pop right up. This app is free to download with some in-app purchases for advanced features. Once installed, open the app. You'll be greeted with a setup wizard. Follow the prompts to give the necessary permissions. Don't worry, it's just basic stuff like overlay permissions so the app can function properly on your screen. Now, explore some of the features. The app allows you to customize the appearance and behavior of the dynamic spot. You can adjust the size, position, and even the interaction effects. What makes Dynamic Spot stand out is its ability to show notification and provide quick actions similar to iPhone's Dynamic Island but with more customization. You can receive messages, control music playback, and even manage calls directly from the spot. So, why is this better than the iPhone's Dynamic Island? For starters, the level of customization is incredible. You can tweak it to match your style and preferences. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with your notification and other apps, offering a truly personalized experience. And there you have it. Dynamic Spot is a fantastic app that brings the best of the iPhone's Dynamic Island to Android, but with even more flexibility and customization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.